If you had put 1 lakh yesterday, it would have become 2 lakhs or more today. This is what Britannia has done. It has gone up by 103% today. I'll tell you why. Welcome to Stock Market Show Market Wrap Up. This is Kishore here. The markets were volatile today and more or less it ended flat. Sensex went down by 14.37 points and closed at 50,637.53. Nifty went up by 10.75 points and the same closed at 15,208.45 points. As it was volatile session, banking were the ones which went down the most. Government plans COVID-19 stimulus package is what the report says. So COVID 2.0 will lead to stimulus 2.0, the bigger one. So Finance Ministry will come out with packages for tourism, aviation, hospitality as well as the SME sector is what the report says. So let's hope this will cheer up the markets tomorrow, and whenever they are announcing it, it should be a good thing for a lot of companies as well as individuals in India. Apart from this, Bernard Arnault, who is owner of LV, that is Louis Vuitton, beats Jeff Bezos to become the richest man on the earth, and his worth right now is $186.2 billion. That's a huge thing. And recently, the report says that he has invested a lot of money to buy his own company shares, because of which his valuation has triggered a lot. India attracts highest FDI inflow of 81.72 billion during 2020-2021 financial year, of which 78% is being taken by Gujarat, Karnataka has taken 9% and Delhi has taken 5% respectively. But Gujarat is eating away the biggest pie. So let's see which all companies are making best out of this. So let's pay more attention towards companies who are establishing their offices or their operations in Gujarat, and those may be the ones whom you can think about investing going forward. Central postpones implementation of mandatory jewelry hallmarking, which was supposed to happen on June 1st, but now it's been postponed to June 15th. And yes, thanks to COVID thing, because of which this particular date has been changed. However, it's an opportunity for you to buy gold jewelry at a lesser possible price, because after this certification become mandate, every jewelry that you buy needs to have a mandate certificate, which would come at a cost. Apart from this, Jaguar Land Rover company is in positive stress, wherein they have 1 lakh plus bookings and the waiting period for most of their models have touched 12 months, thanks to shortage of semiconductor chips and the boards, because of which they are delaying the delivery of the vehicles. And this is what the news is. As I told you, Britannia has given 103% raise today. The same has gone up by 103.57% to be precise, and the same closed at 3,439 rupee, just because they have announced a dividend of 12.5 rupee on each share. At the same time, they are given bonus of 1:1. So it's actually double whammy, because whoever was holding one share, the value of the share has doubled. At the same time, he will be getting one more share. So it has become like 4-time multiplication. That's a good thing. Apart from this, the top loser for the day is HDFC Bank, which went down by 2.05%, and the same closed at 1,478.95. Gold again has gone down today. Gold right now trading at 48,528 for every 10 grams is down by 25 rupees. Silver also has gone down today. The same is trading at 71,330 for every 1 kilo, and the same is also down by 481 rupee. USD has gone down by 61 paise. That's again alarming. 61 paise, a drop in one single day. It's a big thing. And the same is trading at 74 rupee 5 paise. Euro right now trading at 89 rupee 25 paise, and the same is up by 22 paise. Petrol and diesel continue the upward march. Petrol has gone up by 24 paise today, and diesel has gone up by 27 paise. Crude right now trading at 4,794, and the same is down by 31 rupee. The technical chart shows bit of weakness, but due to the stimulus and monsoon expected to be very good, the economy may revive is what experts say. So let's not just see the technical charts and take decision. Let's wait and watch what will happen in the markets tomorrow. So let's wait for RBI to come out with the finance ministry to come out with the policy stimulus, and then we'll be able to take what will happen. Thank you. Have a great day. Be safe. Do like and subscribe the channel. And yes, tomorrow we are going live in the evening with regard to stock market stories, wherein we will tell you what all reforms or changes happened after the Arshad Mehta scam. So do like and subscribe the channel, and the link for this particular live session will be shared in the description below. Do attend it. Thank you.